Hello and welcome to another video. In this video we are going to be testing out this kit that it's called the Gellen Time to Shine Nail Remover Kit, and it is meant to be able to remove gel that is cured under a LED or UV light. So I do have some of my nails done here. So this nail has been primed and just used my normal products that I use, which is my Vetsy base coat, 2 coats of gel polish and my Vetsy base coat. And then this, I've actually used the gellen base coat with 2 coats of the same colour. This is on my natural nail and this is on a full cover tip, because I often do designs on a full cover tip and then I have to take the whole tip off to do a new design, and it's a lot of hassle. So I want to see if it will actually take the gel polish off of the tip without damaging it or not. So let's open it up, because I haven't even looked at it yet. So we've got a bunch of stuff in here. So here we have the nail polish remover. It's dusty. I don't know why it's dusty when it's been inside of a box. And then we have latex tape. Like I said, like, you can see the dust on it. I don't know why it would be so dusty. We have a manual. Oh, and then we have this. So we have a bunch of some nail wipes, and there's quite a few there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 of them. Nice. We have a nail file. Oh, we have a cuticle pusher, and this is a metal one. I wasn't expecting to get all this extra stuff with it. I was just expecting these 2 things. So all this other stuff is nice. And then we also have some cuticle revitalizer oil for our cuticles. So yeah, it came with a lot more stuff than I was expecting. I was just expecting to get these 2. So yeah, let's move all these off to the side, because we will be using them. And here we have the nail polish user manual, and from what I gather is you use a file to break the surface of the nail, you put the latex tape around to protect your skin, wait for that to dry, then you put a thick coat of the nail remover polish on, and it says leave to 2 to 5 minutes, and then you remove the gel polish with the cuticle pusher, peel off the latex tape, and then you can apply the cuticle oil to finish. So yeah, so let's so we've got them here. So the first thing it said to do was to file the nails. So that's just what I'm going to do now quickly. So there we go, and I'm going to do the same to the others. Brush off all this dust. Now we are going to go in with the latex tape. I've never used latex tape before, so I don't know how much you're meant to use. But it says to put it around the base of the nail, so that is what we will do. So now we are going to go in with the nail polish remover, and it says to put a nice coat over the entire nail. So that is what we will do. Like, they don't want you to be skimpy with it. And now it says to wait for 3 to 5 minutes. So that is what we will do. And I will obviously fast forward this. Just to let you know, by here in the corner I did get a tiny bit on my skin and it is burning a little bit. So yes, you want to make sure you don't get this stuff on your skin. So it says it will take 3 to 5 minutes. It has been 3 minutes. The thumb is quite bumpy, as you can see. This finger is as well, but this is taking quite a while because this is the one that is over the full cover tip. And it does say, you know, you can do multiple tries, but we are going to give it a go after 3 minutes. And let's see. So this was with Vivetzi, base coat, top coat, and to take off that, and 2 coats of the nail polish. Yeah, I got some on the skin. I always get some on my skin because my natural nails are so short, because I purposely keep them short. But that's why I use a lot of HEMA-free stuff, because I often get things on my skin. So yeah, even the bit on the skin, that came off pretty easy. Yeah, the surface is nice and smooth. Okay, so we will try with this one. So this has the gellen base and top coat on. And I am not applying much pressure at all. So yeah, there we go. That came off pretty nice. So now we have the full cover tip, and I wanted to see if it would come off of a full cover tip or if it would damage the tip underneath. So yeah, like, this is much harder to remove. It does not want to come off. it is not wanting to come off. So we will put some more on and we will wait for a second time. So I will put all the stuff back on and then I'm going to leave it for 5 minutes and then I will be back, guys. Okay, so it's been approximately 5 minutes with the second coat and we will go in and try again. I'm having to press much harder. I don't know if you can hear the cuticle scraper scraping along the tip, but I'm only going this hard because obviously it is a fake tip, you know, so I'm not going to be hurting my natural nail at all. So yeah, this is not easy coming off of a tip. Like, I got the worst of it off. But yeah, like, it worked lovely on my natural nails. Like I said, not much for on top of tips. So I would say for your natural nails, definitely on full cover tips, I would say no. So let me know in the comment section below what you think of this video and this product, and also let me know if you would like me to try it on my natural nail using a rubber base coat, and if you'd like me to try it on my natural nail using Biab to see if it works on them too. If you would, please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you all in another video. Bye guys.